Welcome to Ms. Kroll's art class. Boys and girls, in today's lesson, we will be focusing on the elements of art through line, shape, and color. Okay, boys and girls, you are going to work on your first name, the letters in your first name. I myself am going to write my title, or Ms. Kroll. I'm going to use my last name. I'd like you to work on your first name and not a nickname, okay? So you have to sort of space out your letters. This is the center of my paper. I'm going to need to have half my letters on one side, half my letters on the other. So I'm just going to softly mark the center. And on this side, I'm going to have an M-S-K-R-O-L-L. Looks like it'll fit. So try to figure out your spacing. And I'm going to lightly start from top to bottom. And I'm going to make the M. Here we go, top to bottom. S for Ms. Kroll, K. You notice how I'm going from the top of the page to the bottom of the page. R. Today we are sticking with capital letters. They'll work better. O, that's a big O. L. And L. Once you have your name written out, you can go back into it. Use your eraser to fix sections up a little bit if they need a little work. Like I don't like how this S is curved. I'm going to fix it. That's why we have the eraser on the pencil. Here's my middle line. I'm going to erase that. Next step is taking a black marker and outlining carefully. Most likely I'll be handing out some kind of scrap paper to keep your tabletops clean, because permanent markers are exactly what they are, permanent. They're very strong. They stain clothing, they stain desks, they stain fingertips. It's really hard to get it out of your skin. So we're going to be very careful and protect our tabletop. Okay, now do you notice when I'm breaking up this space and writing my name that all of a sudden the letters start to form shapes? This looks like two little mountains together. This looks like an upside down triangle, a right side up triangle. R. All right, so when you outline, you trace over your pencil line very slowly and try to go steady, slow and steady. Here we go. And the L's will have a little bit of line on the bottom. Now that we've broken up our space into lines and shapes rather than letters, they look a little different. Looks like shapes and lines. Almost looks like two rectangles over here, oval, half circle. Now we're going to choose a few spots, let's say 5 spots within your design of your name, and you're going to add a different type of line texture. Like in this O, I'm going to make tiny little dashes or scallop marks, and I'm going to repeat the pattern of little tiny half circle scallops. Oh, it's starting to look like an egg all the way down. Now I have to choose a few more spaces to add textured lines or variety of lines. I'm going to do another shape like this strange little triangular shape. I'm going to do diagonal lines across. And I'm not looking for perfection, just try to be neat. Have a little fun. Just you're going to break up your space with some designs. So I need maybe the inside of this M. How about spirals? And I'm going to repeat the spirals, and it'll set up a patterned space of spirals. Here we go. Spirals, 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 and I want to continue through the whole shape. Over here, I think at the L, I might add a different type of line. I think I'm going to do waves, wavy lines, and they're going to move downward all the way through this space, this rectangular space. And choose 4 or 5 spaces. You can have a little bit more if you like. Here we go. I might add one more. I really want to do the top of this K in polka dots. These are dotted little areas, very simple. I'm not pushing too hard on my Sharpie, and you have finished the next step. Now we just need color. Okay, boys and girls, what I'd like you to do is pick 5 or 6 colors in a variety of materials, or in one material. It could be all crayon or all colored pencil, all marker. I'm actually setting mine up with a variety of material. I'm going to start with yellow. We're setting up a pattern here. So we're always repeating the same pattern. Yellow, orange pencil, green marker, pink crayon, purple marker, hot pink highlighter. So this is my pattern that I'll keep repeating throughout my design. Alright, boys and girls, now that I have my colors set, I'm going to scoot them over a little bit, and I'm going to start adding color. My first space, I'm going to use my yellow. I have to find this. Uh-oh, I've mixed up my color scheme. Let's see. Here we go. Yellow. I've changed the order. That's okay. The order can change. Once I set it on the paper, though, I'm going to stay consistent. I'm going to start with yellow. Next color, pink, crayon, and I'm coloring in the entire rectangle, just in this one shape though. So I'm going shape by shape, top to the bottom. Hot pink, orange pencil. You know it's not quite orange, it's a different pink. Nice. Green. Hot pink. Oh, I hope I have enough hot pink in here. I think maybe I'll choose a different hot pink. Here we go. It still looks like highlighter. Purple. And now that I've finished my pattern once, I'm going to repeat at this point. So I've gone through my pattern. Now I'm going to start again with yellow. Yellow. Pink. And you keep continuing to the end.